welcome once again to our school podcast, LPPS Chatbox. I'm your host for the day, Anirudh Jayaprakash from class 10th. Keep your spirits high as a very cute entity has just arrived, a multi-talented achiever in the international platform, champion of mathematics, science, English and phonics. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. A superstar of the day, a math wizard and genius, Advay Bhosle from Nursery B. Hello Advay.
Hello, Vela.
So Advay's mom, how did you discover his talent?
So when he was just one, he used to recognize colors and shapes. So whenever he used to have a playtime, I used to ask him bring something that is circle. So he would get a ball or a plate. And if I say, okay, where is the color yellow? He used to point and show me where is the color. So I knew from the beginning that he understands everything and also remembers very well. So through game only I started telling him about numbers, about alphabets, and slowly he was catching up very nicely. So that's how his interest was peaked.
Okay, you seem really intuitive and he really is a prodigy. So Advay, how did you? I've heard you gotten many rewards ranging from International Junior English, Maths, Science and Phonics Olympiad.
Yes.
That's amazing. So how did you
Thank
celebrate
you.
your victory? Chocolates or cakes?
With chocolates.
You must really love to eat chocolates, right?
Right.
So how old are you?
I am 4 years old.
You want
You're-
to say about something about phone number?
Yes.
Yes, what is it?
Guess how much, which number I like. How much years old I am?
I think you're 4 years old.
Yes, that's number only.
Okay.
Say the square of 4 then.
The square of 4 is 16. Times 4 is 64.
That's amazing.
Then cube of 4 is 64.
That's amazing.
Everything 4.
So Advay's mom, how did he like to play games with the numbers?
Yes, he does because he has his lot of cars. So what he'll do is he'll sort them according to the multiples of two cars, then 4 cars, and loves counting games. He'll count everything.
Hmm.
Like on the walking, while we are in the car, he'll count the number of street lights.
Hmm.
So he keeps adding maths in his game. He himself does that, and he also watches a cartoon called Number Blocks.
Okay.
So from there also he understands how multiplication works, how division works.
Hmm.
So he applies all those in his games also when he's
Okay.
playing.
That seems really fun to do. So Advay, could you teach me a trick?
Yes.
Okay. Tell which to do.
Odd number plus odd number is even number.
That's amazing.
Tell him an example.
Like 1 plus 1 is 2.
Hmm.
And also like 5 plus 5 is 10.
That's a really fun trick and amazing trick also. So, could you tell me how are you so good at maths? Do you practice every day or do you play number games?
Number games.
Okay, that's a really fun and interesting way to learn maths. So, to make things interesting, I have prepared a set of questions which are going to be like rapid fire rounds. So, audience, are you ready? And Advay, are you also ready?
Yes.
Alright, then let's start. 500 plus 500.
1000.
Okay. 1200 plus 2500.
3700.
That's amazing. 2 square.
4.
3 cube.
27.
That's amazing. Could you rate this number for me?
39,427.
That's amazing. Could you say the table of 9 for me also? 9 times.
Wait, I can say
Okay.
on my own everything.
Okay.
4 9 9 2 9 18 3 9 7 4 9 36 5 9 45 6 9 4 7 9 53 53
7 nines are same.
7 9 72 9 9 81 10 9 90.
That's amazing, Advay. You're faster than my calculator. Also, Advay's mom, how did you ignite the flame of curiosity in him?
So whenever he asks any question, we never dodge them. We always try to explain him what he wants to know. We never say that you're too small, you won't understand. we make the if it's complex, we make it simple and try to make him understand using his toys or chocolates. For example, division, then we'll say that you have 4 chocolates. If you give 2 to you have only 2. Like that. If you ask anything, we have a very simpler explanation. We take time, but we'll explain it. We never say that no, don't ask this. You will not understand. Let it be. So that's how we keep his curiosity going. He never gets an answer as no. You won't understand. So that's why he also keeps asking us, okay, how will this work? What's this? How will this happen?
Okay. That's really inspiring. Parents play a great role in molding us. Splendid, madam. Hats off, Advay. Before we say goodbye, we want to hear something from our little champion.
Numbers are fun. Love them everyone. Practice every day. Math is here to stay.
That is a really beautiful message, Advay. Before we end our podcast, I'd like to end it with a few words. Today, we learned that age does not decide how big our talents or dreams can be. With curiosity, practice, and even a little bit of fun, numbers can be our best friend. Thank you for listening to our little champion. This is Anirudh signing off for the day. Until the next episode of MPPS Chatbox. Goodbye. Goodbye, Advay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.